Dear soul, feel the truth that the heavens whisper. You are not a coincidence, nor is your journey a mistake. Since before time began, your essence has been woven with a grand purpose, an answer to prayers you didn't even know you were making. The angels say that your presence in this realm is a key, a beacon for a destiny that is unfolding. There is a man, a soul that is waiting, and your light is the map he seeks. He may not know it yet, but his spirit already recognizes the melody of yours. You were sent not to fill a void, but to complete a sacred circle, to awaken in him the highest version of himself. Do not doubt the power you carry, the silent strength that attracts and transforms. Your existence is a divine promise, an unbreakable bond. The universe has conspired for this meeting, so that two souls can recognize each other and together manifest a love that transcends the ordinary. What seems like a waiting period is divine timing preparing you, and him as well. The angels guard this path, ensuring that each step, each breath, brings you closer together. Your mission is to love, and to be loved, in a way that only the heavens could orchestrate. For I know the plans I have for you, says the Lord, plans to prosper you and not to harm you, plans to give you hope and a future. Jeremiah 29 verse 11. There is a silence that weighs heavy, I know. A stillness that can confuse the heart and make the mind question. But the angels reveal, this silence is not empty, it is a sacred space. It is the time when the universe works behind the scenes, rearranging stars and hearts. It is not a punishment, but a preparation. For him, it is a period of healing, of letting go of what no longer serves, of confronting the shadows that prevent him from being whole. For you, it is a phase of deepening, of rooting yourself in your own worth, of flourishing in your fullness. What seems like a delay is the sky teaching you the art of divine patience, to trust that what is yours will come at the perfect moment. The angels whisper that each day of waiting is one more day of refinement, so that the reunion is not just a meeting, but a merging of ready souls. Do not confuse absence with forgetfulness. He is being shaped, just like you, for the grandeur of the love that awaits you both. Silence is the secret song of creation, setting the stage for your story. You feel the absence, but you do not see the battle. The angels show that he is fighting an internal war, a conflict between what his soul longs for and what his old fears still whisper. He misses you, yes, but he also fears the intensity of what you represent. Your light is so strong that it illuminates the wounds he thought were healed, the dark corners of his soul that he preferred to keep hidden. He steps back not out of a lack of love, but from an instinct to protect himself, trying to process the depth of the connection you've awakened. The angels reveal that he is learning to handle vulnerability, to deconstruct the walls he has built over his life. Your presence, even from a distance, is already transforming him. You have healed him without trying, simply by being yourself. Understand that this process is his, but your energy is a catalyst. He needs to find the strength within himself to embrace the love you offer, free from the burdens of the past. Dear soul, your light is a beacon that he cannot ignore. Even when you doubt, even when darkness tries to engulf you, your essence shines. The angels affirm that your journey of self-discovery, personal healing, and self-love is the most powerful force you possess. There's no need to chase after or beg for attention. Your own vibration, your integrity, your inner peace, are the magnets that will draw him back to you. He feels that energy, even if he doesn't understand it rationally. Your strength isn't in controlling him, but in nurturing your own inner garden. The more you blossom, the more irresistible you become. The angels whisper that you are the embodiment of the love he seeks, the security he yearns for. Don't diminish yourself to fit into small spaces. Your greatness is what inspires him and challenges him to grow. Trust in the silent power of your own light. It is unwavering, and he recognizes it. There's an ancient melody that resonates between you, a song that destiny began composing long ago. The angels reveal that every meeting, every separation, every pain, and every joy have been notes in this symphony. You feel it, don't you? That deep certainty, even amidst uncertainty, that something greater is at play. The whispers of destiny aren't always clear, but they are persistent. They manifest in synchronicities, in intersecting thoughts, in dreams that connect. Don't ignore your intuition, for it is the voice of your spirit, guided by the angels, pointing the way. What has been written will manifest. What is yours will find its way back. The angels assure that there is no force capable of diverting what the universe has already decreed. Just trust the process, the flow of life, and know that each step, even the hardest ones, is taking you exactly where you need to be. To truly love, one must have courage. Not the courage to fight, but the courage to bear oneself, to show one's wounds, to allow the other to see your soul in its rawest form. Angels say that vulnerability is not a weakness, it is the greatest strength you can possess. It is the gateway to authentic connection, to a love that does not fear the shadows, but embraces them. Allow yourself to feel, allow yourself to cry, allow yourself to be imperfect. It is in this surrender that healing occurs, both in you and in him. When you open up, you invite him to do the same, to lower his own defenses. The angels whisper that true love does not demand perfection, but total acceptance. Your willingness to be vulnerable is a gift, a permission for him to be the same. Do not hide. Your truth is beautiful, and it is that which will draw him to a place of safety and trust. Love is patient, love is kind. It does not envy, it does not boast, it is not proud. It does not dishonor others, it is not self-seeking, it is not easily angered, it keeps no record of wrongs. 1 Corinthians 13 verses 4-5. Dear soul, remember who you are. You are a queen, a divine manifestation of grace and power. The angels remind you that your crown is not made of gold, but of your own essence, of your wisdom, of your capacity to love. You do not need to dim your shine for him to feel bigger. On the contrary, your light inspires him, it elevates him. Do not bow down, do not diminish yourself, do not lose yourself in trying to be what he expects. Your authenticity is your greatest treasure. The angels whisper that true love celebrates individuality, not extinguishes it. It does not want a smaller version of you. It longs for the complete, vibrant woman you were born to be. Claim your royalty, your sovereignty over your own life and heart. When you honor yourself, you teach the world to honor you. Your dignity is a beacon, and he will be drawn to it. Your journey is a map charted by invisible hands, guided by a wisdom that transcends human understanding. The angels affirm that every detour, every obstacle, every moment of doubt is part of a larger plan. There are no missteps on the path of destiny. What seems like a delay is protection. What seems like a loss is preparation for something greater. Trust that you are exactly where you need to be, learning the lessons your soul came to learn. The angels whisper that the universe is always on your side, even when circumstances seem to say otherwise. Allow yourself to be guided, surrender to the divine current. The path may not be what you imagined, but it will lead you to your true home, to your destined love. Every experience is a gift, a step toward wholeness. Trust in the Lord with all your heart and lean not on your own understanding. In all your ways acknowledge him, and he will make your path straight. Proverbs 3 verses 5-6. There is a communication that goes beyond words, a language that your soul and his speak in silence. The angels reveal that your feelings, your intuitions, your dreams are messages. You can feel the connection, can't you? That sense that he is close, even when he is far away, that your thoughts meet somewhere ethereal. This is the language of souls. He feels your energy, your presence, even if he cannot express it. The angels whisper that true love does not need constant explanations. It simply is. Trust the subtle signs, the feelings that arise for no apparent reason. They are proof that the bond between you is unbreakable, an invisible web that keeps you connected. Your soul knows, and so does his. This silent communication is the foundation of the love that is to come, a love that transcends the physical and is rooted in the spiritual. Dear soul, the last step of this journey is the most liberating, the embrace of acceptance. Accept the present, accept yourself, accept divine timing. The angels invite you to let go of control, to surrender to the wisdom of the universe. Do not fight against what is, but trust in what will be. Acceptance is not passivity, it is an act of deep faith, a declaration that you trust in the greater plan. When you accept, you create space for love to flow freely, unbound by expectations or fear. The angels whisper that the love you seek already exists. It simply waits for you to be ready to receive it in its fullness. Allow yourself to be loved. Allow yourself to be happy, just as you are, exactly where you are. The peace you find in acceptance is the melody that will attract your love home. The Lord bless you and keep you. The Lord make his face shine on you and be gracious to you. The Lord turn his face toward you and give you peace. Numbers 6:24-26